Welcome to a journey into the unknown depths of space, brought to you by Universe Secrets, exploring the final frontier. For decades, we have believed our solar system was complete, a tidy collection of 8 planets, orbiting our warm sun. But beyond the orbit of Neptune, in the freezing darkness, lies a chaotic region that suggests we are missing something huge. Astronomers have noticed strange behaviors in these distant icy objects, hinting at a gravitational ghost haunting the edge of our system. The orbits of these distant bodies are clustered together in a way that statistical probability says should simply not happen naturally. It is as if a giant hand is guiding them, a gravitational shepherd herding these icy rocks into specific, elongated paths. Professor Constantine Batygin from Caltech has dedicated years to analyzing these gravitational fingerprints left on the fabric of our solar system. His computer simulations reveal that a massive, unseen planet provides the most elegant solution to this baffling celestial orbital mystery. We are not looking for a small rock, but a world likely 6 times the mass of our own planet Earth. This elusive world is a super-Earth, a type of planet common in the galaxy but strangely absent from our own family. It resides at a staggering distance, roughly 400 times further from the Sun than the Earth is right now. Its orbit is so vast and elliptical that it takes between 10,000 and 15,000 years to complete one loop. Imagine a world of eternal twilight, where the Sun appears only as the brightest star in a profoundly black sky. It is likely an ice giant, smaller than Neptune, but significantly larger than Earth, holding an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. The existence of this planet is currently the subject of intense debate and excitement within the global astronomical research community. The story really began with the discovery of Sedna, a dwarf planet whose orbit seemed detached from the rest of the system. Neptune is too far away to affect Sedna, implying another massive gravitational body is shepherding it from the dark void. As astronomers discovered more objects like Sedna, a clear pattern emerged that could not be dismissed as a mere coincidence. The search for Planet 9 is now one of the most compelling treasure hunts in the history of modern astronomy. Finding it is incredibly difficult because it reflects very little sunlight and moves agonizingly slowly against the background of stars. Telescopes like Subaru in Hawaii have been scanning the predicted path, looking for a faint moving dot in the darkness. Researchers are using advanced algorithms to shift through petabytes of data, hoping to catch the heat signature of this world. The gravitational influence of Planet 9 explains why some objects orbit perpendicular to the plane of the other 8 planets. From the surface of this hypothetical world, the Sun would look like a bright star, providing almost no warmth at all. Scientists believe it possesses a rocky core wrapped in layers of exotic ice and a thick, insulating atmosphere of gas. The sheer scale of our solar system means that even a planet this large can remain hidden for centuries of observation. However, the game is about to change with the upcoming activation of the Vera Rubin Observatory, located in the Chilean mountains. This facility houses the largest digital camera ever built, designed to capture the entire southern sky every few nights. It will create a time-lapse of the universe, allowing us to spot moving objects that previous telescopes have missed completely. Many experts are confident that if Planet 9 exists, this new observatory will confirm its presence within just 2 years. The sensitivity of this new instrument allows it to see faint objects that are currently invisible to our best equipment. Some theorists propose an even wilder idea, that the missing mass is not a planet, but a tiny primordial black hole. This ancient black hole would be roughly the size of a grapefruit, but pack the same gravitational punch as the planet. If it is a black hole, we would search for gravitational lensing or flashes of radiation rather than reflected sunlight. However, the planetary hypothesis remains the most likely scenario, fitting the data without requiring exotic physics or rare cosmic objects. Skeptics argue that the clustering of orbits might just be an observational bias, a trick of where we have looked. Yet, as more objects are found, the statistical significance of the clustering has only grown stronger, reinforcing the planet theory. Planet 9 may have been a victim of the chaotic early solar system, ejected by Jupiter to the frozen outer wastelands. It likely formed closer to the Sun, but was cast out by the immense gravitational bullying of Jupiter and Saturn. Now it orbits in exile, a silent witness to the history of our system, holding secrets of our cosmic origins. Confirming its existence would be the most significant astronomical discovery of the century, rewriting textbooks and our understanding of gravity. If found, it would immediately become a prime target for future space missions, begging for a probe to visit it. Reaching it would be a monumental challenge, as it lies far beyond where even the Voyager spacecraft have currently traveled. We would need new propulsion technologies to reach this distant world within a human lifetime to study its mysteries up close. What lies beneath its clouds? Does it have weather systems driven by internal heat, or is it a dead, frozen world? It is almost certain that such a massive object would have captured its own system of moons from the surrounding debris. Studying it would help us understand super-Earths, the most common type of planet in the galaxy, right in our backyard. Analyzing its light spectrum would reveal the chemical history of our solar system preserved in a deep freeze for billions of years. Science requires patience, and the hunt for Planet 9 is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless drive to explore. We have been here before, searching for a Planet X, which eventually led to the discovery of Pluto decades ago. Unlike Pluto, Planet 9 is gravitationally dominant, truly ruling its neighborhood and deserving the title of a major planet. Citizen scientists are also joining the hunt, combing through archival data to see if the planet was captured by accident. The discovery will likely happen as a subtle shift of pixels on a screen, a quiet moment that changes everything forever. If discovered, the naming rights would belong to the finders, likely following the tradition of Roman or Greek mythological deities. Our mental map of the solar system would expand, restoring the count to 9 planets, but with a much grander member. We cannot fully understand the universe if we do not even know the full inventory of our own solar system's backyard. While we search for dark matter and dark energy, a massive dark object of normal matter hides right under our noses. Space telescopes like James Webb could also play a role in characterizing the planet once its location is finally pinned down. Could it harbor life? While unlikely in the extreme cold, its internal heat might support subsurface oceans beneath the ice. It is the loneliest planet we know of, spending millennia in the deep freeze before briefly swinging closer to the Sun. In the time it takes Planet 9 to make just one orbit, all of recorded human history has played out. Gravity binds us all together, and the subtle tug of this distant giant reminds us that everything is interconnected in space. There is always a chance we are wrong, and that the orbits are just a fluke of nature's random chaotic dance. But even if Planet 9 does not exist, the search itself will reveal thousands of new icy worlds and secrets. The outer solar system is not empty space. It is a frontier teeming with millions of objects waiting to be found. One day, humanity may travel to these outer realms, using them as stepping stones to the stars beyond our system. Until then, Planet 9 remains a beautiful ghost, a mathematical necessity that haunts our simulations and fuels our cosmic dreams. The evidence is mounting, the simulations are robust, and our telescopes are sharpening their gaze for the ultimate confirmation soon. Do you believe a 9th planet is lurking in the darkness? Or is there another explanation for these strange celestial movements?
Aligning the frequency now.
We live in a golden age of astronomy, where the boundaries of our knowledge are being pushed further every single day. From the perspective of the outer edge, our Earth is just a pale blue dot, fragile and precious in the void. The universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered, and the story of our solar system is far from over. Whether it is a planet, a black hole, or a statistical anomaly, the truth is out there, waiting for us. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the mystery of Planet 9 and the edges of our home. Stay curious, keep looking up, and subscribe to Universe Secrets for more amazing stories from the depths of the cosmos.